Hello guys, this is ThaxT2K, and today I'm doing a latest unbagging of the Super Mario dog tags that appear from somewhere. Didn't hear about these coming out, but obviously they got different characters on the front. But there's there's gold dog tags. Plus you get trading card and sticker. There's 30, let's focus in. Here we go. There's 30 tags to collect, 27 foil cards and 12 stickers. And there's a checklist as well, so each pack contains one dog tag, a 24-inch chain ball, one trading card and one sticker. I'm surprised they don't do chewing gum while they're at it, but they cost about £2.50, so not recommended for 3-year-olds. I wonder why. They could use them for belts, so right, I'll do Yoshi. They even made a little slit at the top, so let's see what we get. We got, I think that's Ludwig, isn't it? Yeah. Ludwig von Cooper. And this is from the Super Mario Wii U. Cross, can't even get this. There we go. Nice, some fancy, good details gone on to that. Dome shape, obviously Bowser's spikes, so pretty decent. We got Iggy Cooper, information about him, so I'll let you read that. Nice style of sticker. And we've got the checklist as well, so they're the ones that we can go for. There we go. Obviously one of each of the Koopa kids and Bowser. Or you can go for the 8-bit or the Super Mario World version. So, speaking of Super Mario, let's open the second one. See what we get in this one. Now in my luck, it'd be a bloody repeat, because unboxings are like that. Don't want to look at card yet. Oh, cool. DK. Nice and shiny. Obviously they're plastic dog tags, so obviously that's the reason why you can get the shine like that. Oh, that's cool. Information about the glowing Yoshi. There we go. How about that, eh? That's card decal, that is. If I can get it off. All them years of football. There we go. There you go, see through. You can put it wherever you want. That's awesome. And another checklist. So, overall, $2.50. Not bad. For the price, they could eat. Made these about £3 or £4, but obviously you get random dog tags, so either way I think I might buy a few, or I might get a box and see what I get and do an unboxing. But either way, this is ThaxT2K. I shall see you next time. Bye bye.